When you feel like giving up, remember that God won't give up on you.
The trials today will not last forever. God will turn your pain into purposes and your struggles into testimonies. Joel 2, verse 25. God will restore everything that the enemy has stolen from you.
Matthew 6, verse 33. Put God first in your life and try to do what is right, and God will take care of everything else you need.
Romans 8, verse 28. Your current situation is leading you to a blessing. Nothing is a mistake.
Isaiah 41, verse 10. So do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will uphold you with my righteous hand.
My